Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by granting background refresh permissions so apps can update. Go to Settings, choose General, then Background App Refresh. Once there, pick Wi-Fi, Cellular, or Wi-Fi and Cellular depending on data preference. This defines how apps refresh. Next, scroll the app list and flip the toggles for the apps you want running in the background. Make sure to prioritize apps that need live data, email, navigation, or audio, so they behave as expected without enabling everything unnecessarily. You should inspect battery and permission settings to keep background apps functioning reliably. Open Settings right arrow Battery and identify high usage apps. You can adjust those settings or limit background activity selectively. If low power mode is enabled, turn it off because it restricts background refresh. Once done, make sure critical apps have location, cellular, and notifications permissions so they can run and communicate. Finally, use background app refresh plus selective permissions to balance updates with battery life. Finish by restarting your iPhone to apply background changes and clear any stalled processes. If an app still won't update, try toggling its background app refresh off and on, then reboot. Should problems persist, reset network settings to fix stalled cellular or Wi-Fi permissions, but be prepared to re-enter passwords. Finally, make sure iOS and your apps are up to date. Outdated software often blocks background behavior. One key tip: force quit only when an app is unresponsive, not to manage background refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.